Welcome to Create with Fran. Today I want to share with you some ways I've used some dehydrated oranges for holiday decorating. So the first way here was I made a centerpiece. Was out and snipped some pine tips, some cinnamon sticks, and chestnuts, and acorns that I gathered as well. Some pine cones, some are painted white, some are gold, from previous crafts I had. Some are white. Not sure what I'll use. Some are just natural. I'll definitely use those. And then I dehydrated some oranges. I know I've seen people have trouble with them going brown or dark. What I do is I use my dehydrator. I haven't tried it in the oven, so I'm not sure on that. But for the dehydrator, I pat them with paper towel at 135, and I do it about 6 hours to start. And then if there's some, I check them, and then, to make sure there's no spongy feel to them still. Anything that could spoil, you want them very dry. They're not completely dry and you still have some of that soft sponginess in there, you'll start to get a little darker from that spoiling. I let them go like they're super crisp. So I'm just gonna make a centerpiece in here. I also have some fake berries here because I didn't have any left of the real ones I had used recently in a wreath that I made. So if you didn't see that, I'll put a link there to it. It was just made with twigs from the yard. I'll just use these and that'll be fine for a little pop of color here and there. I'm not an all natural snob. I don't mind buying pre-made and faux berries or greenery and stuff, whatever works. The second way I used an embroidery hoop. I made this mobile. The third way is on the Christmas tree as decorations themselves. I hope you liked it. Thank you for creating with me.